welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video I'm going to discuss about the Taylor and Maclaurin series. So let's start. So the formula of Taylor series and Maclaurin series is the summations of n is equals to 0, f raised to n a over n factorial, x minus a raised to n. Then the Maclaurin series is summations of n is equal to 0, f raised to n 0 over n factorial, x raised to n. So example, find the Taylor series for the functions of f of x, I in x centered at c is equals to 0. So we're going to derive, derivative of x is, I in x is 1 over x. Sa derivative 2 is negative 1x squared. Derivative 3 is 2 over x cubed. Then the derivative 4 is negative 6x4. So let's ato siyang isa tanan. So we have x negative 1, 1x negative squared, and negative 1 negative 2x cubed, 2 negative 3x4. We're going to factor because para makuha nato siya, which is 2 times 3 equals to 6 and x negative 4. So we have f of x equal to 0. F of 1 is our value of x is 1 is equals to 1. F square 1 is equal to negative 1. Then f cube 1 is equal to 2. F 4 is 1 is equal to negative 6. So by using the formula, so this will be our formula. F of x equals f c plus f1 c is x minus c raised to 1 plus f squared c x minus c squared over 2 factorial. Then f of cube c x minus c is 3 and over 3 factorial plus so on. So we have I and x is equal to 0. So the f of c is 0. Then the value of derivative 1 if 1x minus 1 x minus 1 raised to 1 minus by the value of x squared c. So 1x minus 1 squared over 2 factorial. Then 2x minus 1 cube over 2 times 2 times 1. Then minus 6x minus 1 raised to 4 over 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 plus so on. So this will be the answer. So I and x will be x minus 1 raised to 1 over 1 negative x minus 1 squared over 2 plus x minus 1 over cube over 3. Then minus x minus 4 raised to 4 plus 4 and so on. So example 2. Find the Maclaurin series for the function of f of x sine x. So we're going to derive. So the derivative of cos x is negative sine x. So the negative of sine x will be the negative cos x. Then the negative cos x will be the sine x. So we're going to substitute. So the f will be the f is equal f a quantity of 0 equal to 0, f of 1 the quantity of 0 equals to 1, f squared 0 is equals to 0, the x cube 0 is equal negative 4, x raised to 4 the quantity of 0 is equal to 0. So using the formula, so have f of x is equals f quantity of 0 plus f raised to 1 the quantity of 0 of quantity of x over 1 plus f of squared quantity of 0 times x squared plus 4 cubed 0 and x cubed 2 factorial and 3 factorial and so on. So we're going to substitute the f of 0 is 0, then the f of 1 is 1x over I raised to 1 plus 4 minus x cubed over 3 factorial plus 0 plus 1 x plus 5 over 5 factorial plus 0 minus 1x raised to 7 over 7 factorial plus so on. So this will be our the answer. Sin x is equals x raised to 1 minus 1 minus x cubed over 3 factorial plus 3 raised to 5 over 5i minus x raised to 7 over 7i plus so on. So that's all. Thank you.